Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPA Coder. If you're new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. And if you have any doubts and suggestions, then please do comment in the comment box. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a bar of pie chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, I have already prepared sample data inside our worksheet over here. And this is the VBA code, or you can say a macro button in which I have assigned a VBA code in it. So first we will be seeing the output of our code, how our bar of pie chart will look, and then we are going to see and have the deep explanation and the understanding about the code written behind this chart. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is our bar of pie chart in VBA Excel, and this shows the pie and the bar of pie inside the chart. So let's have a look on our code and let's understand what our codes has to be written and how they help us to create a bar of pie chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure for creating a bar of pie chart in VBA Excel. And this is the entire code which we require to create a bar of pie chart in VBA Excel. So we will be seeing the each line of code and understanding what each line of code does is. So let's get started. So the first line is to select a single cell inside our data. As you can see, B4 is the single cell which we have selected inside our data over here. Once you select, so for selecting this B4, we have to write range B4 dot select. This line of code will help us to select a single cell inside our data. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type activesheet.shapes.addChart2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters. Now let's see what are they. The first parameter which we are going to give is the chart value. Remember, each and every chart has its own value. For our video, for our bar of pie chart, we are going to give the value as 2. So the chart value for this chart is 2. After that, we have to mention that what type of chart we are trying to build in VBA Excel. So for our video, we are going to prepare bar of pie chart in VBA Excel. So in VBA Excel, we are going to type Excel bar of pie. This is the chart type which we are going to create using VBA Excel. After that, we are going to give the left, width, top and height parameters to position and size our bar of pie chart in VBA Excel. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to close the brackets and then we are going to type dot select. Once you have written this line of code, what this line of code will do is this line of code will create the bar of pie chart and select it. But remember, you will have the chart title, but you have to set it. So let's say this will show, so your chart title will be not as per your naming conventions. So if you want to change the chart type, we can use with statement. So what we are going to do is once the chart is selected, it becomes our active chart. So in the next line of code, what we are going to do is we are going to type with active chart, and below that we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to then our name of our chart. For this video, I have kept bar of pie chart in VBA Excel as my chart title. You can modify this as per your convenience. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to show the category and the data labels, the category labels as well as the data labels inside our bar of pie chart. As you can see, our pie as well as the bar has its category and values shown over here. So to show this, we are going to type dot apply data labels. After the space, we are going to type show category name equals to true. Remember, after typing show category name, you have to type colon equals to then true. After that, we are going to end the with statement. As you can see, we have started our with statement over here, so we need to close it. So we will use end with statement in the last. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to select an empty cell. As you can see over here, we have selected our chart. So to deselect our chart, we are going to select any empty cell. In my sheet, I'm going to select F4 as my empty cell. So if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a bar of pie chart in VBA Excel. For more such videos, please do visit our BPO Coder Challenge, BPO Coder channel page. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, please do comment in the comment box. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.